Curious about a career as an electrician? Electricians are skilled professionals who specialize in working with electrical systems, wiring, and components. They play a crucial role in ensuring safe and efficient electrical power distribution. Electricians handle a wide range of tasks, from installing and repairing electrical systems to diagnosing issues, ensuring compliance with regulations, and maintaining electrical equipment. Electricians specialize in diverse areas, such as residential wiring, commercial installations, industrial machinery, and more, tailoring their expertise to meet specific electrical needs. Electricians excel in a multitude of tasks, including interpreting blueprints, setting up complex electrical systems, diagnosing problems, and delivering outstanding customer support. When you partner with Randstad, you gain access to a wide network of reputable employers and exclusive job opportunities. Our personalized support and industry expertise empower you to secure the ideal electrician role. Ready to illuminate your future as an electrician? Discover endless possibilities and leave your mark in this dynamic field.